Hello everyone, welcome to Long-Term Machinery. I'm going to introduce to you this airflow cooler. And use cold air goes into the pellet cooler to cool down the hot pellet hot pellet. And this will screen the pellet, make the pellet drop to the simple screen. And the blue one is the low and high level sensor. And this is the in front side of the pellet cooler. It has a window to see the position of the pellet. And after pellet cooling, it will drop to the screen. Will drop to the screen. The other side of the pellet cooler. Like this.